This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We continue to wait for the chance for a few isolated severe thunderstorms overnight and tomorrow, but it's looking less and less likely that's going to be a sure bet for us, which is great news. However, there is still enough energy and juice left in the atmosphere that we can't completely discount that chance, so we'll still need to be on guard for the next 24 hours. Much less humid though, and sunny on Sunday, so it will be a beautiful day to head outside and do anything that you can't really do tomorrow because we're waiting for those storms. And then for the early part of the week, we'll see hot temperatures with some rebuilding humidity, but overall staying pretty dry. For the remainder of tonight, there is still the slight risk in place for a lot of the lakeshore for the potential for some gusty winds. It just doesn't look like this storm system has a whole lot of oomph left. There is this cluster of storms that has persisted in the middle of Lake Michigan, kind of moving to the northeast with a couple little small storms starting to form on the eastern side of this cluster, and these will probably roll out towards Muskegon for maybe the next hour or so. But these storms have so far not been all that bad for at least portions of Wisconsin, and especially now that we're into the nighttime time frame, we're likely going to see that continued weakening trend. Mostly clear skies out there, still very warm though in Kalamazoo, 80 degrees, 74 in Grand Rapids, with most of us between 70 and 80 degrees. And here's what's left of that line from earlier. It was a really nasty line, still has some gusty winds with it, but no severe thunderstorm warnings right now with this line. It's the southern part of the line that is more hefty and continues to produce that severe storms. We also have the chance for a couple of strong storms tomorrow with this cold front, so we'll likely start to see those into the afternoon and early evening. Again, seeing better energy levels for the eastern half of the state, but we just have enough heat and humidity, and with this front coming in, that it could trigger one or two storms tomorrow afternoon. I really don't think we're going to see a whole lot of action though. Most of these storms coming out of Wisconsin are going to fade away overnight. This model placing some of these towards the lakeshore by 3 a.m. It may be a little bit earlier than that, but we could continue to have some of these lingering storms through 5 or 6 a.m. between Big Rapids and Muskegon that could be on the stronger side. But it looks pretty quiet for us in general. Seeing a few of these showers start to pop up 9 or 10 a.m. very quickly moving east. And remember, this is where the better energy is, over towards 127 and east. So most of us probably going to end up storm-free tomorrow. There could be a few that try to pop up again into the afternoon and early evening ahead of the front. Front has slowed down a little bit. Looks like we're probably going to see it pass through right around midnight into Sunday morning. Not a lot of power with the front at that point either. A lot of the activity really fizzling out as the front moves through. And then as we head into Sunday, though, it's going to be a great day. Mostly sunny, highs in the low 80s, and more importantly, less humidity, because look at this big drop in those dew point temperatures from the 70s for tomorrow, which is going to feel super muggy tomorrow, down into the 50s by Sunday evening, feeling much more refreshing at that point in time, and a lot better day to spend some time outside. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, dry days, hot days, upper 80s, and then Wednesday into Thursday, we'll have another chance for some potential for thunderstorms and hopefully some widespread heavy rain. That comes with another front coming through.